Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is, suppose log x to the base 3 is equal to a and log y to the base 12 is equal to a, where x and y are positive numbers. If g is the geometric mean of x and y, so g is equal to root over x and y, then log g to the base 6 is equal to, so since log x to the base 3 is equal to a, if we raise both the sides to the power 3, we'll get, let me write it here, we'll get 3 log 3x is equal to 3 to the power a. From here we get x is equal to 3 to the power a. Similarly, we'll get y is equal to 12 to the power a. So g is equal to root over 3 to the power a into 12 to the power a, that is root over 36 to the power a, that is equal to 6 to the power a. So therefore, log g to the base 6 is equal to log 6 to the power a and base 6. So a log 6 to the base 6, that is equal to a. So option D is the correct answer. The next question is, if x plus 1 is equal to x squared and x greater than 0, then 2x to the power 4 equals, so since x plus 1 is equal to x squared, from this we get x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we know that roots x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So from here we get 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 by 2, or 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. But since x greater than 0, we'll just get one root, that is 1 plus root 5 by 2. So now since x squared is equal to x plus 1 squared is rather x squared is equal to x plus 1, there's no squared, so this is x plus 1. So x to the power 4 becomes x squared plus 2x plus 1. But x squared was equal to x plus 1. So we get x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1. This is equal to 3x plus 2. Or 2x to the power 4 is equal to 6x plus 4. So this is 6 into 1 plus root 5 by 2 plus 4. This is equal to 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 4, that is equal to 7 plus 3 root 5. So option D